first stop, hopefully our last stop, to see if there's a floor in here that we like or that matches. Oh, I see one that match all the way over there. We're not even inside yet. Oh.
Yeah, I saw it.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're about to go see if we have any luck.
Florence Superstore, man.
What? They have everything in here, though. Everything. Towels. All kinds of stuff.
Super close.
So this is how wide one plank is, right? This right there?
Yeah.
And you think this is close?
That's real close. I think.
Didn't you take a picture of it?
I think.
Well, we need a sample to see, though.
Yeah.
Once we,
Because our floors is like,
it's kind of turned to brownish gray. I don't think, you know.
I need more gray in it. But that's still close, though.
Yeah, it is. Very close.
That's pretty.
They're pretty. Those planks are super wide. Like, jeez, they're wide. More brown. This is very pretty. Ooh. She pretty.
That's close, too.
Really long. It would look like this. Out the thing.
Ooh, it ain't that thick either. That's good.
What, for the
Got
doors?
mustard berry on the back of it already.
So you don't have to put nothing down.
Probably still need to put some, but what's that waterproof flooring? It do say waterproof flooring.
It's a long
This is
plank.
really good.
This one is? Well, can we get a sample though? Or no?
You can get a sample of everything.
We need a sample. This, but this one don't look like that. Or they're not supposed to.
They're different. They'll be different, but
All different
they'll
hues.
just repeat.
Okay.
Same pattern.
All right.
That's a good one though.
This one.
That's $220 now.
You don't like it?
It's okay. It's a little cheap.
It's cheap.
Yeah, but it's, yeah.
Cheap as in what, babe? Like cheap
I don't
bad
like,
quality?
I don't like this.
Okay, you don't like seeing the lines.
You're going to see the lines, but I don't like the lines being so prevalent. It look like family. It look cheap. It just look cheap.
Okay, but this one down here doesn't look cheap to you.
This one don't look cheap.
Which one?
I mean, it still look cheap, but not cheap right there. Look how thick those lines is.
I like those thick lines.
Oh, you do?
I do.
Okay. That's all I'm at.
But you like this one.
I love this one. I love this one for the color match.
Ooh.
And for the price.
Keep it up there, let me see. Very close. In color.
And it's $1.69 per square. It's cheap.
Water resistant laminate.
It's kind of thick too.
Let me see.
I'd rather do the other thin stuff. What meal is this? This probably
You like the thinner stuff better?
It's 10 meal. Well, only because of the transition between it's already tight. We're not taking the existing flow out. You're putting on top. So the thinner you can go, the more.
So the one
less
over there you like
Yeah, I like that.
for the thickness.
Because it was real thin. It's like 5 mil.
Okay.
So yeah.
5 mil. And this one is 10. Okay, so I like this one, right? This is a much wider plank with already the, what do you call this?
Separation.
You know, it has the look of already single planks of wood like this one. Now this is a single plank right here, which is this wood here. This one already shows you like all the different colors. And this one you just have to pull out the box to get this look.
It's thin too.
So
this more like vinyl. This is vinyl.
What do you mean?
You got the moisture vapor on the back of it. Like
Oh yeah, look, it is a luxury vinyl plank foam.
LVP.
And this one is just lock-in wood, right?
Yeah, sure.
Laminate. Okay, so existing floor samples. Sample 1, super dark. Sample 2, close. And sample 3 could be close, but it just depends on what you pull out of the box to get this look for this one. But that one is definitely too dark. And it's gonna go here. But Ron is thinking if it matched close enough, it could also cover this floor. And so it'll be this or whatever floor here and in here to match. What do you think? Yay, nay, no, hell no.
I think we can put this everywhere. What is it? No, this got texture.
And that one has, all those have texture.
This has about as much texture as this.
This is,
This got texture too.
right.
That one nice. It got more of this naughty stuff in it. I mean, none of this stuff is gonna match hard wood. Like this is literally hard wood.
Mm-hmm.
But
But that's a close run.
that one just way too dark.
Yeah, it's definitely too dark.
These two, either or. That one would be easier to install.
Uh-huh.
But it's more
Wider.
wood.
Yeah, okay. And you're gonna get more of this and that, but not as much of this right here though.
Yeah. We'll go back tomorrow and see if we can, look at a couple more samples.
Okay.
No.
It's what now?
None of this is matching. None of it. No matter which plank you look at, it's going to be totally different.
Yeah.
Because it's hardwood. But as far as this, it's going to repeat over time.
If you don't have a laundry basket in your house with broken handles, you bougie. If you got one with broken handles, leave me a comment. It's got to look like this, okay? I mean, it's been through some long. If yours don't look like this, you bougie. You bougie. You're not a part of the Fab family, okay? Okay, so we've picked out the floor. These are the transition strips right here. And I'm waiting on them to come and load me up in the car. So, yeah. After we leave here getting this, we're going to stop at hold up. Okay, so after we leave from here, we're going to go to Sherwin-Williams. Okay, I'm slick today. So slick, okay. But we're going to go to Sherwin-Williams and get paint. Get the paint. But they're about to load me up here in just a second. I gotta get breakfast because I'm about to die, okay? My stomach is literally touching. So we're gonna get the paint and then the wallpaper. Paint, wallpaper. And I think that's it for today. For all my ripping and running. And then there's a nap calling me. A real live nap. Okay? So, I'll see you guys at Sherwin. I'll see you at Sherwin-Williams. Okay, so here's my mood board right here. This is a sample piece of wallpaper right here. Sample piece of wallpaper. Here's the paint that I'm going to be using. It is, this color is Sensible Hugh by Sherwin-Williams. And this is what it looks like. I got it to kind of pull a little bit of the leaves out. Here's the flooring that's gonna be in here. There, so let me move this so you can kind of get an idea of the walls, the floor, and the wallpaper. And you're probably looking like, well, where's the wallpaper gonna go? This room is surrounded by walls. This wall back here is going to have a makeshift wall up so that you can't see out of those windows. So they'll be blocked. And then this is what that's gonna go on there. And paint on the walls, and we're gonna go ahead and start getting painted. Now I just wanted to show you the color palette that I'm loving right now for this space.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know.
And then finish configuring how I want the room to look. And then that way I can determine where I want what and what I need to purchase, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Okay, I'm out of my favorite thing to put on my face. I think that's got a little bit. I ain't getting nothing out of that thing, really. Okay. I think she done. She is done, honey. So early. So early. I remember wearing my hair like this in the 9th grade. But it wasn't blonde, though, it was black. But nonetheless, I rocked it in the 7th, 8th grade. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Okay. I ain't gonna hold y'all because I've been talking about nothing. Okay, so baby's about to install the floor in here. This is the underlayment, which creates a moisture barrier between the existing floor and the new floor. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you can. Come back, stay tuned so that I can share with you what the floors look like. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put some storage back here. That's the plan, to put some storage cabinets back here to store all my Etsy stuff back here. And to block off this door right here that he took off to do the floor. So this door will come back, but it'll be blocked from this side. Anyway, just stay tuned and I'll share with you all of how that turns out. And don't mind the TV in the back. That's what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I had to tie those up so that he could have room to work over there. And then I'll put the rest of them up all the way around to here. Big room, super girly when I'm done. Straight girl cave, my come-to place to get away from Ron when he aggravate me. Okay, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!